Right now, the Bitcoin Bollinger Bands is squeezing up significantly, and in this exact video, I will be going over Bitcoin. I will be talking about the price consolidation we're currently seeing. I will be going over, of course, some important trend lines, some important things we should be looking at right now, and much more will be getting discussed on today's update video. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we once again smash it back above 300 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And over the past few hours, we start to see Bitcoin moving up here towards levels somewhere around 16.9k. So on the top side of this range right here. So that is definitely very interesting to see. And if I remove this rung right here, of course the range where we're currently consolidating in, you can clearly see here on the top side that this is clearly the point of resistance, and here on the lower side of this range around the 16.4k, it is clearly the support. So we're currently consolidating in a very important level for Bitcoin, and what really matters right now here is whether we break above that 16.9k to of course confirm a bullish breakout towards the upside, or whether we see a break below the 16.4k to see a break towards the downside so we could short the market. We are just waiting to see which direction we're breaking towards. However, either direction we break towards is going to be a good trading opportunity. If I will be looking at the 4-hourly time frame, yesterday we discussed, of course, that the Bitcoin 4-hourly time frame is currently creating a symmetrical triangle, and like you can currently see, we officially confirmed a bullish breakout towards the upside. So if we are going to be measuring our price target for a bullish breakout towards the upside for Bitcoin, we're going to be going for targets around 17.6k. What would potentially mean that we're finally breaking outside of this range. Like you can see, we've been trading in this range for quite a while right now, but after we officially broke above this downward sloping resistance line right here, where we got rejected from multiple times, like you can clearly see right here, we could finally start to be moving higher for Bitcoin. So that is also what I will be exactly looking at. But more importantly, what I really think that everyone should pay attention towards right now is the extreme low volume and the extreme low volatility in the market. Because if I currently open up the daily time frame with the Bollinger Bands, you can see that the Bollinger Bands is extremely tight. It is literally as tight. I've never seen Bitcoin be so tight, at least not for the past 2 years, because like I discussed yesterday as well here, if we're going to look at the volatility index, Bitcoin is currently on a 2-year low on the Bitcoin volatility index, what also means that, of course, it's likely that the Bollinger Bands is going to squeeze up so significantly, right? So the Bollinger Bands is squeezed up significantly, and right now I am waiting to see this breakout occur on the market. So let's see where it is heading towards, but I am currently really expecting that the volatility is going to be happening anytime soon. Of course, I've been saying this for a while here, but of course it's likely the longer we're going to trade sideways, the bigger the swing is going to be here. And I really think that this consolidation phase right here, where we have been consolidating in for the past, let me say this exactly, 18 days already, almost 19, is going to tell us the direction whether we are breaking bullish or breaking bearish, right? So this is exactly where I should be looking at. And if we see a bullish breakout, you could long it, and also vice versa if we break towards the downside. And if you are interested in trading, you could do so on Bybit or BitGet. And if you sign up an account using the links in the description, you can also claim an additional deposit bonus on top of your initial deposit. You can currently see that I'm long on Bitcoin with an approximately 66,000 US dollars. And yeah, I'm currently still in a minor loss there, but this is a swing trade, and really, if we break down to $14,000, I'm going to double down my margin, and that is where I'm waiting for before adding more margin towards my trade here. Furthermore, if you really look at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, you can see that we bounced perfectly from off that daily support line. On the 4-hourly time frame, you can also see that actually that candle that touched this level was a pretty beautiful candle. You saw a big move towards the downside, and after we touched this level, we wicked towards the upside and even closed it in towards the green. So this was actually a very beautiful candle that Bitcoin printed, and this is also quite a bullish signal in my opinion in terms of the candle formation and how the candlestick is behaving itself, because yeah, it's bouncing beautiful from the support line, and it's really showing and indicating that there's a lot of strength currently in the market. Also, if I'm looking at the daily time frame, I can currently clearly spot the most important downtrend for Bitcoin, and like you can see, the current daily time frame is retesting this level. So whether we're going to close this daily candle above 16.8k or 16.9k or even above it, right, we're going to be officially confirming a breakout of this downward sloping trend line. So very good to see here. Hopefully we can break it. Of course, we've seen many downward sloping trends in the history in this consolidation range for Bitcoin. And basically every single time we broke it, we saw at least a small little rally towards the upside, right? And that is also what I will be looking at right now here. Will we be breaking this important level? It could lead towards more positive price action for Bitcoin. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now, because then you are going to stay up to date exactly on this potential breakout that currently is occurring. Looking then at the legendary support line for Bitcoin, we are yet again bouncing from off this level like we've been expecting. Every single time we touched it, we bounced from it so far. And I personally think it is a very good opportunity. And I personally think that this well could be the bottom for Bitcoin, to be very honest. If I'm also looking at the falling wedge here, you can currently see that we're extremely close by potentially breaking out of this pattern. Currently, the resistance is somewhere around 17K. So if we close significantly above it, let's say 17.2K, personally, we're going to look quite good on the weekly time frame as well, because then we're breaking this important trend line here, right? So you can see here, rejection, and also right here, and also right here. So if we close above 17.2K with the weekly candle, things are going to look very good for Bitcoin. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date exactly on all these important charts right now here. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.